What if I told you that everything you were taught about learning English is wrong? Not a little wrong. Completely wrong.
You've been sitting with grammar books, memorizing verb tables, drilling vocabulary lists, and yet
native speaker talks to you, your mind goes blank. Why? Because studying English and speaking English are two completely different things. Think about it. You didn't learn your first language by studying it. Nobody handed you a grammar book when you were 2 years old. You listened, you absorbed, you repeated, and one day you just spoke. That's exactly what we're doing today. No textbook, no grammar rules, no pressure. Just you, your ears, and real English, the way native speakers actually use it. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just understand English better. You'll feel it differently. Let's begin. Good morning. Let's start where every day starts, the morning. Listen carefully. I want you to notice not just the words, but the rhythm of how I speak. Is it really 6:30 already? I feel like I only just fell asleep. Come on, up you get. You've got things to do. Now, did you catch those phrases? Is it really? We use this when we're surprised or can't believe something. Not, is it 6:30 really? No, we say, is it really 6:30? Say it with me. Is it really Monday already? Is it really that late? Is it really only 10 degrees outside? Good. Feel how natural that sounds. Now this one. I feel like I only just... This is a beautiful phrase, very natural, very native. I feel like I only just got home and now I have to leave again. I feel like I only just started this project. I feel like I only just met her. You see, one phrase, endless uses. Let's continue the morning. Right, coffee first. Everything else can wait. Let me check my phone. Okay, 3 messages, nothing urgent. I need to be out of the door in 20 minutes. That's fine, I can do that. Everything else can wait. I love this phrase. It means this one thing is my priority right now. Everything else is less important. I need to finish this report. Everything else can wait. Let me just sit down for 5 minutes. Everything else can wait. And notice, out of the door, not out of the house. We often say out of the door when we're talking about leaving in the morning. I need to be out of the door by 8. She was out of the door before I even woke up. Scene 2. Having breakfast. Toast or cereal? Toast. Definitely toast. Actually, do I even have bread? Let me check. Yes, perfect. 2 slices, just enough. Just enough. Such a simple phrase, but native speakers use it constantly. It means the exact amount needed, not too much, not too little. I had just enough time to catch the train. We had just enough money to cover the bill. There's just enough milk for 1 more cup. Say it a few times, get comfortable with it. Just enough. Just enough. While the toast is in, let me think about today. I've got a meeting at 10, lunch with a colleague at 1, and then I need to get that email written before 5. Okay, busy day, but manageable.
Morning, everyone. Right, let's get started. Has everyone seen the agenda for today's meeting? Good. So first things first, the client presentation. First things first. This is a very common expression. It means, let's deal with the most important thing before anything else. First things first, has everyone got a coffee? First things first, we need to agree on a deadline. It's also used when you want to slow someone down who is jumping ahead. Okay, first things first, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I want to keep this meeting tight. We've got a lot to get through. So I'll need everyone's full attention. No distractions. Phones away. Let's aim to be done by 11. That gives us a solid hour. Keep it tight. To keep something tight means to keep it focused, efficient, not wasting time. Let's keep the agenda tight. She always runs tight meetings, in and out in under an hour. And get through. This is a phrasal verb meaning to complete or finish something, often something that requires effort. We've got a lot to get through today. Did you manage to get through all your emails? I need to get through this report before the weekend. Scene 5. Casual office chat. Hey, did you catch the game last night? No, I missed it. How was it? Unbelievable. Right up until the last minute. Oh no, don't tell me. I'm going to watch it later. Say no more. I won't spoil it. Say no more. This is a great conversational phrase. It means, I understand. You don't need to explain further. Stop. I get it. I don't want to know the ending. Say no more. I'm exhausted. Say no more. Go home. Could you help me move this weekend? Say no more. I'll be there. Short, friendly, very natural. I won't spoil it. To spoil something means to reveal the ending or a surprise before someone has experienced it themselves. You'll hear this a lot around films, sport, TV shows. No spoilers, please. I haven't watched it yet. I accidentally spoiled the ending for her. She was furious. Scene 5. Talking about life and goals. You know what I've been thinking about lately? How much time we spend doing things we don't actually enjoy. Like, when was the last time you did something just because you wanted to, not because you had to? Let's pause here. When was the last time you... This is a powerful question in English. It makes people reflect. It creates conversation. When was the last time you tried something new? When was the last time you laughed until your stomach hurt? When was the last time you were truly proud of yourself? These are the kinds of questions that open up real conversations. Remember them. I think a lot of people are living on autopilot. They wake up, go through the motions, go to sleep, and then do it all again. And at some point, you have to ask yourself, is this the life I actually want? Living on autopilot. This is a beautiful expression. It means doing things automatically, without really thinking, like a plane that flies itself. I was so tired last week, I was just living on autopilot. She said she felt like she was on autopilot, just going through the motions. And going through the motions, doing something without real feeling or effort, just doing it because you're supposed to. He's going through the motions at work, but his heart isn't in it. Scene 6. Talking about change and growth. You know what the good news is? It's never too late to change. People reinvent themselves all the time. You just have to be willing to be uncomfortable for a while. Reinvent yourself. This means to completely change who you are, what you do, or how you live. After she lost her job, she completely reinvented herself. He moved to a new city and reinvented himself from scratch. And be willing to be uncomfortable. This is such an important idea in English personal development conversations. Being willing means choosing to accept something even though it's hard. Growth requires being willing to be uncomfortable. If you want to improve, you have to be willing to make mistakes. Most people stay stuck because change feels scary. But here's the truth. Staying the same when you're unhappy, that's scarier. That's the real risk. Stay stuck. To be stuck means you cannot move forward. You're frozen in one place. I've been stuck in the same job for 5 years. She felt stuck, like she couldn't move on. How do you get unstuck? You take one small step. Scene 7. Coming home. Finally, home. I don't know about you, but that moment you close the front door behind you, there's nothing like it. Off with the shoes, kettle on, deep breath. There's nothing like it. This means something is unique and wonderful, incomparable. A hot shower after the gym, there's nothing like it. That first cup of tea in the morning, there's nothing like it. Seeing your family after a long trip, there's nothing like it. A very emotional, human phrase. Use it when something feels special. Right. What do I actually want to do tonight? I could watch something, or read, or just do nothing. Actually, do nothing sounds perfect. Do nothing. Simple, but very natural. Notice we don't say make nothing, we say do nothing. And the phrase just do nothing, the word just makes it sound intentional and peaceful. Tonight, I'm going to just do nothing. Sometimes the best thing you can do is just do nothing. Scene 8. Reflecting on the day. It was a good day, actually. Not perfect, but good. I got things done, I had a laugh, I learned something. What more do you want from a Tuesday? Had a laugh. This is very British English for had fun or enjoyed yourself, often with other people. We had a right laugh at dinner last night. It was a difficult project, but we had a laugh along the way. And what more do you want from a Tuesday? This is a very natural, conversational way to express satisfaction with something ordinary. You can use this for anything. Good food, good company. What more do you want from a Saturday? Sunny, quiet, peaceful. What more do you want from a holiday?
Now, this is your time to speak. I'm going to say each phrase once. Then I want you to repeat it out loud. Don't be shy, don't whisper it, say it like you mean it. Ready? Let's go. Is it really that late already? Everything else can wait. Busy but manageable. First things first. Say no more. There's nothing like it. She completely reinvented herself. I've been living on autopilot. We had just enough time. He's going through the motions. I felt stuck, like I couldn't move forward. What more do you want from a Monday? Excellent. Now, one more time, faster, more natural, like a native speaker. Is it really that late already? Everything else can wait. Busy but manageable. First things first. Say no more. There's nothing like it. I completely reinvented herself. I was living on autopilot. Just enough time. Going through the motions. Stuck, but not anymore. What more do you want? You made it. Seriously, if you listened all the way to this point, you are not someone who gives up easily. And that's the most important quality any language learner can have. Think about what just happened in the last hour and a half. You didn't study English, you lived it. You heard real conversations, real emotions, real thoughts. You picked up phrases you can use tomorrow morning. You shadowed, you repeated, you spoke. That's how fluency is built. Not in classrooms, not with grammar tables, but moment by moment, phrase by phrase, conversation by conversation. So here's what I want you to do before you sleep tonight. Pick one phrase from today's video, just one, and use it tomorrow in real life, out loud. Everything else can wait. There's nothing like it. Say no more. Any of them, pick your favorite. And when you've used it, come back and tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with someone who's learning English, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Because next time, we're going somewhere even better. I'll see you there.